You can start instantly, and this brand new app will help you make money in less than 40 seconds. You can do it again and again. And all you need for this is an internet connection, a laptop, computer, or any smartphone device. You don't have to sell anything, you don't have to film any videos, and you don't have to complete boring surveys. And you will not be doing any affiliate marketing. You just need to sign up to this app I'm going to show you. Follow the steps from this video to make money and basically on autopilot. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. We reply to every one of our viewers, and now let's get into it. So this is the platform where you will need to create an account, and that's probably going to take you less than 60 seconds. You will be able to sign into this brand new app, and this app is going to do all of the work for you on complete autopilot. And it's going to do it in less than 42 seconds. So I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can set it all up. But you must follow all of the steps in this video, and you must stay until the end of the video if you want to make this work. Now, before we get into this app, before I reveal this brand new app to you, there's something else that you will need to sign up for. So let's go through that other platform. Okay, so here's the website from which you will be collecting these payouts. This is the website where you will actually make money, and then you will combine it with a second app that I'm about to show you, which is going to do all of the work for you on complete autopilot. And this website is called OfferVault.com, which is another CPA marketplace. CPA stands for cost per action, which means you can grab a referral link for some of these offers. You can refer other people through your link, you can share your link, and whenever someone uses it to sign up for absolutely free just by entering their email address, you will get paid a certain amount of money. And as you can see here, some are going to pay you with these amounts depending on what they need you to complete. But in most cases, they just need to become a qualified lead by answering their first name, last name, and their email address. And for that, you're being paid. They don't have to buy anything or spend any money. It's all free for them. And they can benefit from that. Plus, you're making money just for them signing up in less than 60 seconds or so. But there are certain offers in certain categories that you will need to focus on. I'm about to show you, so you will not have to share this on any social media platforms. You don't need any social media accounts for this. You don't even need any audience. You don't need a YouTube channel, and you don't need any Instagram followers. You will not need any of that because the app is going to get you those referrals on complete autopilot, and you will see exactly how that works. Once you come over to OfferVault.com, I come over to the search bar because that's going to help you to find the best offers where people can sign up for free. And signing up for free takes them less than 60 seconds, and you're being paid pretty well. So to find those offers, all you have to do is search for the keyword gift card. Once you search for a gift card, that's going to give you all of these different offers to which you can refer other people to. When they sign up to those offers, you're going to get paid a certain amount of money, and they have a chance to win a gift card. And as you can see, in this case, they can have this gift card, and when they sign up for that offer, you will get paid with this amount of money. And if you get 10 people to sign up, that's a lot of money you're getting. It's a lot easier to make them sign up for free through some offer where they can actually earn something like $500 or $1,000 gift card than try to sell them something. So it's a lot easier to make them sign up for something for free, especially when they can benefit from it. And most people will probably not win the giveaway, but they will want to give it a try because it's less than 60 seconds for them to have a chance to win something. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel now. You can refer people to different kinds of giveaways where they can get gift cards, as you can see here. And you can go through all of these different offers and try with all these different offers to see what's going to work best for you. But for the sake of this video, we will be focusing on this offer right here because it's proven to get easier results. As you can see underneath the offer is going to say email submit. That means the people who will sign up through this offer just need to answer the email address. It's free for them, and they can have a chance to win this prize, and you're getting paid with this amount per person that you refer to this offer. Now, of course, you don't have to focus on this one particular offer. You can grab whatever offer you want. You might be able to find an even better offer that pays more, but I'm just going to use this one as an example. So once you find the offer, just click on it, and that's going to take you over to this page where you can get more information about how this offer works. You're being paid with this amount, and people don't need to buy anything, they just need to take action by entering their email address. So let me show you how that's going to look like. You can preview the offer right here. So we are sending people to a website that looks like this, and they will be able to send this one over here, and they just need to enter their email address and hit continue. That's all you need to do. It's less than 10 seconds and they have a chance to earn this amount of gift card if they have been chosen. If they don't, it doesn't matter. You're still being paid for each person that you refer. So I just wanted to select some of those offers from OfferVault.com, a CPA marketplace with thousands of different offers. Just find the offer that you think would be suitable for you, that you think is easy to promote. And to grab the CPA link, all you have to do is select an offer or come over to this page, read more about it if you want to view the offer, and just click run offer right here. That's going to take you over to their marketplace. It's going to be very different. It's going to take you to a separate platform where you only need to sign up, and that process is going to take less than a minute because it's a little bit more complicated, but still it's very fast. They will ask you for your first name, last name. It depends on the platform, but they will ask you for some basic information like where you live, what's your address, what do you do for a living, and so on and so forth. So nothing too complicated, but it will take a couple of minutes to sign up and grab the referral link. But once you get the referral link, you will be able to share it with other people so they can sign up for those offers for free, and they have a chance to win gift cards, and you will get paid for each person that signs up, which is awesome. Now, if you're wondering if this works and if you can make some money with this strategy, well, here's one of the websites that I've signed up for on OfferVault.com. I used this method today on my different other income sources, and now I'm making a decent amount of money. It's not any life-changing income, but it's around like $100 a day because it takes me less than 40 seconds to set it all up, and it's running on autopilot, which is a decent amount of money that comes my way every single day. It's not bad, and once again, it's not life-changing income, but I'm still pretty satisfied with the result, which is around $3,000 a month. Now, the app I use to automate the entire process is ProfitMate.net, and the one I use to promote my CPA links to make money on complete autopilot is this one right here. This app creates an unlimited email subscriber list for you, and it allows you to market photos, email subscribers like 24 hours a day. And you can promote whatever you want. You can literally promote some affiliate offers or maybe even your offers. I mean, for this instance, I've used it to promote those CPA links from OfferVault.com, and it works pretty well. I haven't even tried any affiliate offers because it's a brand new app, but for CPA offers, it works really well, and it's a lot easier to make someone sign up for absolutely free where they do have the chance to win a gift card. So it's a lot easier to make them sign up to those offers, and it's just so easy that this app does the job for you. Now, you don't have to create a massive social media following, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars on ads. You can just log into this app, set it up in a couple of minutes, and leave it so that it can do the job for you. And in less than 40 seconds of using this app, it's gonna be sending a lot of emails to people that will actually finish the offer that you're promoting. And that's it for today's video. Before we go, please guys, make sure to subscribe. You're supporting us and we appreciate the support. Please like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. As always, take care.